In the manufacturing world, speed isn't the only priority. Lasting quality is the real smart choice. Quality, brand, service. You need all of them, not just one. That's me. I'm the brand new Eco Series from Bodor Laser, a self-cooling handheld laser welder. Let me check out the problems they've been running into. Hey Peter, what are you up to?
Hey, I'm working on an awesome art piece and I need the welds to be solid, speedy and most importantly, look nice too.
Piece of cake. Check this out. I've got ultra-high density laser power running through me. Way faster than the MIG or TIG welding you're used to. I can weld as deep as 4 to 5 millimeters. And check out these weld seams. Clean and neat, like fish scales. Just look at this quality. Passing through the toughest structural tests is no big deal. They'll be a real highlight on your artwork.
Wow, that's really fast and smooth, but sometimes I need to weld for hours straight. Can you keep the same high quality the whole time?
Of course I can. I've got an efficient all-in-one cooling system inside me, even if I work non-stop for 24 hours. I never shut down from overheating. Stop? No way! Plus, I've got a powerful self-developed laser source, making sure my beam is always emitting at its best all the time.
That puts my mind at ease. Actually, making an art piece isn't just about welding. There is a lot of small details to take care of too.
Don't worry, I've got plenty of hidden skills you'll find handy. If you're working with thin sheets, even as thin as 0.2 millimeters, my spot welding can handle it easily. And the sheet won't warp after welding. If your welds come out black and dirty, my cleaning function will make your pieces spotless in no time. I can also cut thin sheets with ease. And if needed, laser cutting is no problem either.
Wow, that's awesome. Didn't expect you had so many skills. Alright, now it's my turn to shine.
Can't wait to see your masterpiece. Hey Anna, you look a bit down.
Yeah, I've got some problems. Holding this heavy welding torch all day is really taking it on my wrist and shoulder.
Try me out. My wand torch has had a full upgrade. It's more comfortable to hold now, and it weighs just 650 grams. That's 15% lighter than before. It feels super easy to use, and even after hours of holding it, your arm won't feel tired. Plus, the 3 color safety indicators are really clear and easy to see.
Light and safe, perfect for our female welders, and honestly, it looks very good.
You bet! In the welding world, I'm the one and only with that premium vibe. But I'm not just a pretty face. My operation system is like a brainy think tank, packed with a built-in expert welding library. The 7-inch touchscreen shows all settings at a glance. Just pick the right material specs and start welding right away. Even beginners can learn it in no time.
Let me try it out.
You look like a real welding pro now.
I don't even need a welding license to prove myself anymore. This feels amazing.
Solid quality is my confidence, but confidence is more than just quality. I come with a 2-year extended warranty and a strong support team backing me up. They respond 24/7, and engineers are ready to provide on-site service anytime. No more unanswered calls or repair delays. This is who I am. Bodor Laser's new Eco Series self-cooling handheld laser welder. Deep penetration, lasting quality.
邦德激光切割机销量连续6年全球第一。